Hey guys, we got the KNS Precision gas piston in here a couple days ago, and I just want to give you a shot of what I got here today. Got the Velcro patch right here. This is with the Velcro patch you can put on your hat. KNS Precision gas. Got a nice Velcro patch. You can put that on your hat. You can, if you have a hat that has a Velcro backing, you can put this in place of the actual flag or some other morale patch as well too. And the patch looks excellent, looks great. Put that aside, and we also got a T-shirt here as well too. Make AK great again. KNS Precision Gas Piston T-shirt right here. Got the patch for the Texas on here. Got the other Precision KNS Precision logo on the other side right there too. T-shirt looks great, no problems with that whatsoever. And we also have the gas piston here. I got the gas piston here in stock here a couple days ago, and this is the SAM 7 SF bolt carrier I got right here. This is the new gas piston. This is the gas piston part number. Let me roll it around here for you. It says APS-S-112 on the actual part number on the listing right here on the side. Let me flip it around. Made in the United States, patent pending. Got all the good stuff on there. This is brand new, made by KNS Precision. You can probably barely make it out, but it definitely is on the actual shaft of the gas piston on there for that. So that's what it looks like right there. Let me set that down real quick. Let me show the front head on here. And this is what the head looks like on here, guys. You have a roll pin for this right here. A little roll pin down inside there. Flip it over. You got a little roll pin down inside here for the retaining of the actual gas piston, the new gas piston right here for that. And you also have another pin up here in the front as well too. That pin goes straight through the actual shaft of the main portion right here. And you have your gas relief valve up here as well too. This gas relief valve works by engaging and disengaging on this little ratchet mechanism right here for that. So I'll go ahead and show you this here. Let me get a better sunlight out here for that. Hold on, guys. Okay, here we go. Got a lot of light out here now if we can actually see it and get a better shot here for you. This thing opens and closes. So right there, gas port is completely open. Gas port is clearly visible right here. It goes straight through the actual shaft of the portion right here. You got two holes on each side. So that's the bleed off. You have two bleed off holes, one right here, and you have one on the opposite side right there for that. So that's how the piston works. You close it off by engaging again. Close it back up. Close it all off. Now it's fully closed all the way back up to its proper default position. And here's another shot of the actual number right here as well too. So you can zoom in here for you. APS-S-112. Oops, sorry about that. And you have it made in the United States right here. Made in USA, patent pending, and it says KNS Precision on the other portion right here as well too. So that's basically everything for the bolt carrier group I got right here. Bolt part number right there on the side, and there's a bottom section right here as well too. And there's what it looks like on the front. Got the bottom portion cleaned up on here as well too. So there you go, guys. That's the improved KNS Precision gas piston on here. Again, our side shot right here for that other side. It only takes about 10 minutes to actually install this Precision gas piston into your front portion of your bolt carrier right here. So all you gotta do is drill out the actual pin right here and put the retaining roll pin back down inside here, Only takes about 10 minutes right there for that. It's not a bad job. It's extremely quick and easy to do this specific swap out of your actual gas piston right there for that. So 2 thumbs up, guys. It's a great idea. It definitely gives a good review. I'll see you guys.